Hello everyone, my name is Linda. It's my pleasure to be here today. I'd like to tell you a story. Car is a necessity in everybody's life today, and in most countries, more and more people need to drive every day. They drive to work, to school, to market, even to travel. When we drive, safety always comes to the first. But it's inevitable we will meet bad weathers, such as rainy, foggy, snowy days, and in most cases we have to drive in late evenings or at night. In such case, it's so much necessary to make a better visibility and make sure we can drive safely. I myself, a little bit not unbrave enough. I'm so scared when I drive, but the road is so dark. But recently, one of my friends recommended me a very nice product. You know what? I installed it by myself. It's not difficult at all. Myself, I couldn't believe it until everything was done. You know, it brights the road so well. The car light is so much brighter than before. And okay, it's called Auto LED Headlight Bulb. You know, since I have that, I am not scared at all when I drive in the evening. I'd like to recommend this product to you. It's easy to replace your car original halogen bulbs, so you can try. Okay, now let's get a close look at this product. There is a product memo in the package for your reference. And there are 2 pieces bulbs in one package. Okay, this one is the intelligent canvas. It's upgrade external drive, and there will be no FM interference and no error on dashboard. Actually, it is applicable to most the models of cars. And this one with a standard plug, and also we have other kinds of plug. And you can choose the suitable one for your car. And all of them fit your original car housing and factory sockets perfectly, so you just plug and play. Here you can see 8 slides CSB LED chips, 3D LED creative 360-degree lighting. And we have 2 kinds, 70 watts, it's 10,000 lumen, and 90 watts with 12,000 lumen. It can produce 3 times brightness than the ordinary, bulb. Like this, there are only 2 size chips, but our product has 8 sides and no dark spots. And next, let's look at it. Cooling system. It has got efficient cooling system. Turbo fan with 12,000 RPM, powerful and provides supercooling ability and efficiently improve the heat dissipation efficiency. So make sure this bulb has got a longer lifespan. And it is fully waterproof, so don't worry about it getting wet or get damaged from water. It's very easy to install, and we will explain it later. Take out the original dust cover and remove the original halogen bulb and replace it with our product. Plug and play. And install slowly, carefully. And unplug it, adjust it, and put back the dust cover. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my product, please follow us and subscribe here.